Well, guys, it's been a while since you've seen me around, and yeah, we took a little break there. It was a good little break. We had some time off, and we just took a break from the garage and took a break from racing. Had some personal stuff going on with life, and yeah, now we're back, and hopefully we're gonna be back at it here. And this is gonna be the start of the weekly videos again, so hopefully we can get this one out and start doing every week again there, and at least one video a week out, and we'll see how it goes. Anyways, today we got a pile of snow down, and we're just out here plowing. I'm just plowing my road actually, because it doesn't seem like the snow plows want to come out this way, so plowing my road after I just plowed the driveway. The siding's falling off our house due to the last storm that we had there. So I got my driveway done, I got the neighbor's driveway done, I got Ashley's driveway done, I got a little bit of the road done. I'm just gonna go in and take it easy for a few minutes, and then I'll be back out, and we'll see how this goes.
All the snow's turned to water. Christmas days have come and gone.
It's been a while since he's last seen me here. I'm in the Mazda here driving through the Gardner. The snow's pretty high. I stopped plowing. I did my driveway, and that's about it. A little bit. A couple other driveways, but not too much. So now I'm just driving to the Gardner, heading to the garage with the dog, and we got a plow in front of us here, so we're gonna see what he's gonna do. Well, he was turning around. So we're in the Gardner now, and there's some pretty big snow drifts coming up through here. Well, we made it this far, and we're stuck. There's some pretty big drifts down here. I'll get out and show you here in a second. We're just waiting for our tow. He tried to come up to help me, and he's stuck down there now. So now we gotta get somebody to come and help us out. So I'm just gonna get out here, and bear with me because it's gonna be pretty windy. So yeah. So this is the drift here. Today. So anyways, we'll see you in a few. Hey, we're finally out there. I'm stuck right in there. Back out. Now we're going up the road again. Oh, it's the next morning here, and we got a little bit more snow down, and we're still getting more. These driveways were plowed last night. These roads were plowed last night. This was parked last night very late, around 3 o'clock this morning, so, and this driveway was completely plowed then. Anyways, we're gonna try to get moving, see what we can do, so, see you here in a few. This is the situation now. I got the big pile here going in the road, a little path here for the four-wheeler over to the garage, so, the four-wheeler's been a big help today. Chris's path gone with the skidoo. The garage is, yeah, it's a 12-foot high garage. That's a 10-foot high garage, and that's an 8-foot high garage. So there's a Dodge truck there. There's a Civic there. There's another Civic there. Oh, the Tacoma. There's a Jeep there, a trailer there, and another Civic, and then the Mazda. So this is Chris. The sled was this morning. One of the sleds were there, and he got out from there. And it's in front of the garage door there. Little cow path. We walk over here, and like I got out of the yard 5-6 hours ago. This is all I can get done. I'll just keep plowing back and forth. Got out of the yard in the tractor, so yeah, we're just heading down this way. Straight into Dominion. It's another day here. I'm just getting the blazer out. Buried it in after. I don't know if you've seen that or not. Pushing snow. Got all dug around it. It's a 3-wheeler over there. But yeah, this is the yard here. The tractor's doing well. Plowing pretty good. So bank here. Gonna head out onto the road here for a second. So this is out on the road. We're trying our best to keep everything cleared. I mean, my driveway cleared, this driveway cleared, these two driveways cleared, and the neighbors row down there too cleared. Try to keep everybody out, so Dad comes with the backhoe whenever I had trouble, pushes whatever away. I just clean up the rest with the tractor. So some of the big banks there he made with the backhoe, and then the tracker there, he's just scooping away at the rest. So he got in there with the backhoe because I couldn't get that, and then a little bit more. Saw that plat in there at the tracker. And down here, some plowed in there. I'm gonna get Ryan's truck moved and skidoo moved, and I'm gonna get the garage all shoveled out here soon. So, and then he went down last night and he moved all this. So, it's a big bank down there. Good luck to whoever has to get that done. It's the bottom of Birch Street here. This is a turn. It goes down to the other street there. Dad couldn't make it past here last night, so somebody already plowed up this way, so there was already a big bank there. It's even bigger now, so this is what he was going through with the backhoe. Not ideal situation with no chains. So we're making it though. Seems to get up to here, we could try pavement again, so we'll be happy for that. So. Got all this push back here. Ashley's is done. You got the neighbors done. Got the other neighbors done. So yeah, it's a lot of snow, but we're making do. So I'm not sure the exact amount of snow we got. Look, my shingle from yesterday, but we got a bit. So. Like the roof has got a bit of snow on it. We had to start shoveling them off soon here. So, anyways, I'll see you in a few. Well, got the step shovel off to here, and then it's just hard. The shovel's too light to get through. The driveway's all good though now, so hopefully it's basically down to rocks in most spots. So it's good. Still a lot of snow down. I'm gonna have to get Dad to come down with the backhoe again and move some around. So I got a bank pretty high over here. Hey, it's wide right there, right? So like he can move all this for me. Get that three-wheeler out of there and put some snow in there. So and we got Shirley shoveled out over here. Snowdrift was that high all the way through. Dad bucketed through it. I just cleaned it up. Got her all garage cleared out. Got the neighbors over there all cleared out. Got all the street cleared. The whole street, we moved all this back. We got most of the yard cleared. I mean, Dad didn't do much. It was just me kind of pushing the banks back. There's kind of a couple cars. So the garage is cleared. And the snowbank here. So. Right to there, and he stopped. I'm not sure how much down there is done, but we got it done right down to there. So one little lane. And Peter came up and he moved a little bit of snow around here too. He's down at his place. So, lots of snow around. Lots of snow. The shop now, pushing a little bit back. here on my last driveway of the storm, and the tracker's not doing too bad. Haven't been pushing much, but I've been pushing a little bit, so I'm just trying to eat away at this here, get down to there. So a couple more pushes through. I already did this driveway the other day at the beginning of the video there. Too bad. I'm gonna get out and angle my blade here in a second. Try to push some of the snow out of my way. bet that will still start. Look at the lowering kit. Well, it's another snowstorm in the books. It's just been a long 2 weeks here with a lot of snow down, so got a little plowing done here again today, and I think that's going to conclude the rest of this video. You got a little bit of the storm there from last week, and then a little bit of today's storm. So the banks are pretty high. Like, this was all shoveled out. These roofs were shoveled off. This was all plowed, all back up into that bank here. I just plowed some more here tonight. It's still snowing out right now, so I kind of just stopped plowing for now. Wake up in the morning and finish. So that's gonna conclude this for this videos. I hope you enjoyed. Comment, like, subscribe. Tell me what you would like to see next, and maybe we can get that out there. So have a good day, guys, and see you later.